Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to make a smartphone projector from the shoebox. Let's start the video. First we want a shoebox, then cutter, a magnifying glass, a roll of tape, and a smartphone. Measure the size of lens by using any measurement tool and convert this side into a radius for making a perfect circle. Mark the size of radius on compass . And draw a circle by using these correct measurement. Then cut the circle from using a cutter. After cutting the circle, take out the useless part of the circle. And fix the magnifying glass by using tape on the shoebox. If you want to know how to download GTA Vice City on Android device, so tell me on the comment section. As you can see, my phone is not fitting the shoebox. So I am making a stand to make my phone stable. Then I cut my shoebox from side for inserting the phone. Before inserting the phone in the projector, I turn off my screen rotator and put my phone upside down to create a virtual and erect image. And you can see the projector is work properly without creating any type of problem. After all, like my video and subscribe my channel Technical Mradul and press the bell icon for the latest updates.